Hello guys, welcome. Today in this video we're going to be talking about the latest results using my indicator money printer 4.0. Right here, what you're looking on the screen, that's my indicator. It's not just an indicator, this is a whole strategy. It is a system. I do have a set of rules and I'm going to be showing you the whole week results by just trading 1 hour a day. So this will help you if you have problems managing your trade. You don't know where to place your stop loss. You don't know where to target. Maybe you don't know when and where to enter your trade. This system will give you exact and precise entries, just like this one right here that you're looking on the screen. Also, it's going to help you reduce your emotions, right? Maybe you have FOMO, maybe you have greed or fear, all of those negative emotions that maybe paralyze you whenever you are about to take a trade. Well, look at this, okay, guys? This is very reliable. And yes, I have been trading for this for many years. It's not something new. I've been trading with this system for already 4 years, and I'm going to show you the statistics, everything. Okay, guys, so these are my stats by using this indicator and system just 1 hour a day. You can apply this to any asset, any pair. As you can see, win rate is very high. And actually, if you follow the rules strictly, you will have up to a 90% win rate. Okay, so all of my total net R, it's 261.45. Profit factor is 13.45. And the expectancy per trade is 2.33 R, which means that for every trade, you will expect to get at least a 2.3 R. Okay, so I always try to target 2 R trades. Okay, guys, so this will help you on the long run. Even if you have losing trades, okay, the winning trades will definitely cover your losing trades. Okay, also, you can see that yeah, in general, the numbers are legendary. They're like pretty good because having these numbers for a 2R and above type of system, it's really, really good. Okay, just in case you didn't know that, this is very good. I have been trading for the past 17 years. By the way, my name is Aldrich and this is my channel. If you like this type of content, I am always developing winning trading strategies. I did work inside a hedge fund. I love trading. I love teaching and developing winning trading strategies. So let me just show you. This is the net R per week. So just in case that you are new to my channel, you can watch my previous videos and you can see also the results of past weeks. So this is the results of all of the total net R that you can get per week. So I would say that in average, it's between 15 and 20 R. So that means for every R, 1 R that you risk, you will make about 15 times that in 1 week. So even if you take half of those trades, you will still do a great job because that means that for every 1 R, if you are risking a 1%, that means that you will be making a pretty decent amount of money. I added this new section into my journal, okay, and you can see that the past 4 weeks, I've been having a 100% win rate. I usually focus in taking 1 good trade a day, and that's it. I don't spend more than 30 minutes a day in front of the charts, take my trade, and call it a day. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna show you every single trade taken every single day of the week, okay? So you can see on Monday, it was a pretty clean, trendy day. Okay, you can see that we got buy signal along with the bias. Okay, I always recommend you to just analyze the market first in a higher time frame. Okay, you can use 1 hour chart or the 30-minute chart just to analyze the main structure if it's bullish or bearish. Okay, I do have a course in which you can learn very, very easy in a simple way how to read the markets. All right, we're going to talk about that in a little bit. Okay, so for Tuesday, we had a market which was starting to shift downwards. Okay, so we got a sell signal. Also, I do have a little dashboard in which it's going to tell you the risky days, the news, what are the best sessions to be trading at. For the Wednesday, okay, again, we got a pretty decent clean buy signal. Okay, as you can see, it was a 2R. I just target the closest and the most logical support or resistance area, or I always go for a 2R. Usually, as you saw on my statistics, I will always, in general, get a 2R result per trade. Okay, so this was a Thursday. As you can see, market was trending down and we got a sell signal. Beautiful trade for a 3.5R. And also another thing that I want to mention, guys, is that you can apply this system to whatever session that you trade. You can trade it on Asian session or on London or New York. Lately, the Asian sessions, they have been really good. As you can see, this picture to the right, that was on Asian session, and it usually trends a lot. So you will get really big moves with very tight risk. And we got a second trade during New York session on Thursday for a 2R. You can see, guys, how clean it is. You get your trade and you just call it a day. And finally, on Friday, we got a beautiful sell signal. As you can see, it was a 3R trade. Even if you take just 2R or even a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio trades, you will make money because the win rate is positive. So you don't have to worry a lot as long as you follow the rules, okay, and you don't trade at times that you're not supposed to, you will do really, really good, okay? And as you can see, this other trade happened during Asian session for a 5R. As I said before, lately, the Asian session has been trending really, really nice. So you can catch really good moves. So this is the weekly overall results. You can see the total R for the week. So once again, it was a 100% win rate week and the total R was 16.5. So if 1R represents, let's say that you're risking $1,000, okay? Most of you guys, I know that you are funded, you're trading maybe futures or Forex accounts, and you are risking $1,000 of your account. That represents a profit of $16,500. So this is very achievable and simple and realistic because you don't have to be trading all day long. You just have to be focused for 1 hour of the day maximum. You don't have to trade more than 1 hour. You take your trade aligned with the direction of the main bias of the day and you will be fine. And as I said before, guys, you can take even half of these R or just 2R or even 1R and you will still make money. So let me just talk about how you can access and be part of this, okay? If you are serious in your trading and you want to propel and you want to get to the next level, you can check the links down in the description below. Okay, so this is the full course. Okay, inside this full course, you will find all of my systems. You will have access to the money printer. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to read the market, the structure. Also, you will have access to my other strategies and systems such as Dual NY5, ATM strategy, magic numbers. So just to give you an example, okay, all of my trading systems, they have a very, very high win rate. Take, for example, this is Dual NY5, okay, 129 weeks recorded, and it has a 89% win rate. So in average, we have a 90% win rate probabilities in all of my systems. I usually try to look to have a 9% win rate and above. Otherwise, for me, it's not good. So here are the stats. This is Dual NY5. This is one of the strategies that I have been trading for the longest time, and you will get access to this strategy too. Okay. Also, if you just want to get the money printer, the one that I showed you, okay, the one that we have been talking about, then this is the website. You can check the link down in the description below. And yes, I will close access. I want to keep this exclusive for myself and for my closest members. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is today's trade in gold. Okay. And I'm going to show you exactly how to execute, how to enter the trade, and how to analyze the market so that you can get the best possible results. All right, guys. So the first thing you want to do is go to the higher time frames. We are at the 1 hour time frame. You can see how previously the market was trending down, right? That was very obvious. You can see that we had lower lows, lower highs, right? And it created this new low and it broke this structure right here, this high, right? So as you can see, price started to make a bullish trend little by little, right? We had higher highs, higher lows. You can see how market was printing higher highs and higher lows, right? We can agree on that. Then here you can see how market broke the structure to the left. This was the last lower high printed by the market, and it started to make this new lower low, right? So New York session was around here. So when I came to the market and I opened my charts, I saw this shift of market structure. So I was expecting price to drop from here. So what we do is we focus in taking the signals in that direction. Okay, usually you don't have to worry because the system is very, very accurate and it's going to print the signals on that direction. Okay, but overall, I do recommend you just doing that analysis on your own. Okay, and you will be fine. Okay, guys, so we are in the lower time frames, and as you can see, the New York session was right around this area, correct? So you can see that it matched this signal right at the market open. Okay, so I recommend you just waiting a little bit to avoid the volatility of the market open because sometimes you will get faked out. But as you can see, you got a very, very precise entry right here. You can see that you take your trade at the close of the candlestick, okay, and you place your stop loss at the high, right? So as you can see, this trade went for a 3.8 hour. That was pretty quick, very simple, and that's it. Now, remember that we are biased to take sell entries, right? So you can see, guys, that the market was creating this triple top, right? We had 1, 2, 3 rejections of that resistance, right? So here, market broke this low, right? You can see that price was, it was sort of like in a, I would say in a consolidation range, right? We can draw a little box and you can see that price was bouncing from one edge to the other, right? So what happened next, and we're gonna just do a little quick replay to show you exactly how you would take the sell entry, correct? So the only thing you have to do is just wait for the system, the money printer 4.0 to give you a sell entry, right? So you will get that sell entry. It does not repaint, okay? You just want to give enough room for your stop loss, okay? And you can target, as I said, always you can target a safe 2R, okay? You know that the system has a very high probability that it will have a 2R, okay? You can see to the left that we have this structure. Remember that if we extend that, that kind of matches with the low, okay, where price was bouncing. Okay, guys, so you can see that this is a easy 2R trade. Let's just continue and see how it goes, okay? It was same thing, very, very quick, okay? And sometimes you're gonna be able to catch very big moves, okay? Especially if you made your analysis in the 1 hour time frame or some larger time frame, right? You're gonna be able to find larger and deeper targets that will depend on the day of the week and the volatility that you currently have on the market. Like in this example, you can see how price was trending down significantly. Okay, I'm just gonna stop this. How much did it drop? It was a 6.5 R. Okay, very simple. You just wait for your signal. And basically that's it, guys. As I said before, this is going to help you improve a lot. So if you're tired of not being profitable and you want consistency and you want a proven system, just the one that I showed you, you can see that it has quantitative proven data. Okay, it's not just me talking to the air like other trading gurus or influencers that just invent whatever strategy with no proof, no backup. Okay, this is proven and it's very successful. Okay, guys, so especially if you follow the rules, I'm telling you, you already saw the numbers, the win rate. Guys, you will make a lot of money. But I want to be clear, I will remove access because I want to keep it very, very exclusive and I'm just going to keep it for me and my community. So if you want to access, make sure to check the link down on the description. That's it for this video and I'm going to see you on the next one.